Just jigging this jig up against the wall here, and a smallmouth got it. Nice smallie too. Oh my God. Come on, baby. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Another. I've just seen a whole bunch of emerald shiners down here, and this is an emerald shiner pattern, creek chub type like pattern, purple head. Look how he ate that. I tied that one up too. Beautiful fish. Slammed it. I seen a whole bunch of these emerald shiners in here, or river shiners. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. I'm sorry if it's pretty bad. But what a pretty fish. Pretty fish. I mean, I was literally jigging right in front of me here. Tank. Freaking tanker. See you, dude. Nice. Nice. All right. Maybe there's some more over here. I just threw a paddle tail through all this and wow. All right. Yeah.
What was that one you got?
Yeah, it's about the same size, huh?
Yeah. What was that one you got?
Oh, there's a little smallmouth. Yeah, that's a small guy. I wonder if the big ones are waiting a little bit later. There's one. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is when they become deadly. Rapala. Yep. Hey, that one, Marty. I'm telling you, they're there, dude. Because he just caught one. Yeah. He got another one. There you go. They're near that piece. They're near that wood. Another nice one. I call those all nice for them on.
I hooked him this way from the outside.
How'd that happen? Walleye there. First cast over there. Is that a keeper?
I don't know. Right there.
Yeah, he's.
Oh, yeah. Just barely.
Barely. I'm not
If
gonna.
it is, it's barely.
Anybody got any pliers? See you, Stinky. Thanks, buddy.
You won't know how to get back home.
Oh, he'll find. Uh-oh. That Rapala scatter wrap.
Yeah.
And it's just knocking off the rocks and then boom.
Looks like a bass.
Huh? Yeah, well, it looks like a crick chub.
Oh, that dude. Yeah.
The chartreuse, the blue hue, and then the dark back.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I seen his brother over there using the smaller one, so I said, well, why don't I just tie this on for a second? Every cast now it's been with that. Come on over. Well, I mean,
I'll stay here for a while, see what happens. When I leave here, then they'll start hitting them. They'll stop over there and hit over here.
That's true.
I know.
That's true. Swim bait too. I don't know, walleye.
It is. It's a nice one.
Dude, look how he ate it.
Yeah.
4 pound?
Yep. Ain't bad.
4 pound test. That's why he sounded like he was grunting like a deer.
I'm a light line guy too, man.
I know you are. Here you go.
Trust me.
Oh, another one on. I hate this dude. Not really. But, oh yeah. Nice job. You got to show him the setup too that you got. You got a pretty good setup for that. Oh, okay.
Yeah, Screwy Louie.
Is it the Screwy Louie?
Yep.
Sweet. Nice walleye.
It's the only Screwy Louie one I got. I got to get more. I need one of these a little bit bigger.
For your uncle?
Yeah, I catch.
All right. Well, if I catch a keeper, I'll give it to you.
I'm thinking somewhere around 20-inch range.
If I get bit, because you know you're here. Your uncle's meal right there, buddy. Or you want a little bit bigger?
No, that's a good one, huh?
Good job, brother.
Thank you.
Good deal.
Who's this going to?
Uncle Gary.
Uncle Gary. Here you go,
Oh,
buddy.
he got a messed up eye. Look at him.
Ooh, one eye, Laird. One eye. Mr. Old One Eye. Oh yeah. He's pretty though.
Tell you what used to work. Take a Y stick. And you stick this end up through the gill, and then they come down and they can't get over the Y. Then you can just stick them right in the water.
What are we doing? We throwing him back or we keeping him? He's pretty skinny.
Now we'll try for a fatter one.
Yeah, he's pretty skinny. It's a good one there. There's the eater.
Oh yeah, that's the eater.
That's the eater.
Sweet.
There you go, Gary.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Dude, what a tank.
That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
On the hair jig.
That's a nice one, eh?
That's one nice one, eh? On my hair jig. Well, get something to keep him or whatever you wanted to tie him up with.
Yeah, good one. Right out.
Dude, what a tank.
Nice one. Hey, Eric, you got a stringer by chance? No. Dang it. I need a stick.
You want to keep that one?
Yeah.
You did.
That's sweet.
Here, can you take a picture
Nah.
with me?
Oh,
The
yeah.
red button. She got one?
Aubrey got one.
Nuh-uh.
Or Amelia got one. Double up.
Dude.
Is that a nice one, Marty?
Yeah,
It's a nice one.
it's a nice one.
It's a good eater if you want it.
Ooh. Nice. Bring it over here, about over here.
Let's get some light on that baby, huh?
That's an eater.
Another one?
You want it?
That's an eater, Marty. I mean, Ryan.
He's big enough.
That's 15 right on the
Oh,
mark.
he's definitely big enough.
I don't know. That might be 15 right on it.
That's definitely big enough.
What do you think? Should I throw him in or keep him?
Wait and see if he catches a bigger one.
Yeah.
He's big enough.
Yeah. Yeah, he's good.
Nice job, Marty.
You're in.
You made it happen, pal.
Marty magic.
Well, Marty, he's like, I got to make something happen. Make another one happen, buddy.
You got it down in? Okay.
Here, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Is he a nice one?
Oh, yeah. Good job. Let me get a... You gonna hold him? No? Well, I'm gonna put him in front of you. You'd say, eh. You held the smallmouth. Why aren't you holding him?
Oh, there's Spiky.
No, he's not.
Yeah, on the back.
Oh, in the back here, yeah. Look how pretty he is, though.
Mm-hmm.
And what'd you get him on? A swim bait. Nice job. Is that the Screwy Louie swim bait?
Yeah, that's the one I had on earlier. You tied it onto her pole, and I switched to the orange.
Screwy Louie lures, even little girls can catch fish on them. but she's got the downer blood in her.